4-year-old will be making a clay canoe, and another video will show you how to make the teepee. Here are the things you'll need. Clay cut like this, hearts for the Indian, interesting stamps, clay slip to hold it together to make a canoe. First, you decorate the clay with stamps. After the decorating is done, you flip it over and you glue the two ends, which will be folded together. So slip the two ends closed, fold it shut, and stand it up, and now you have a canoe. Now we'll make a hunter that will sit inside the canoe. So the body parts were glued with slip, and then he's glued inside the canoe, and we're done. So you can either paint them with tempera paint. The teepee here we put brown shoe polish on, so that's a good option after it's been bisque fired. And that's how you make a clay canoe. Then it's fun to put the canoes and the teepees together and make some sort of diorama. Very often I have the children do it in a way that they can take the diorama home with them. This is an in-class diorama with the canoes and one of our teepees made of clay. Have fun!